Just Now Technologies is back, and day 2 of our smart home training was next level. We went from learning how smart devices work to actually configuring them. Smart switches, sensors, Alexa speakers, and yes, smart locks. Our students didn't just watch, they disassembled an actual smart lock, studied every part, and configured the lock from scratch. The energy was electric, seeing people from all walks of life transform into smart home engineers in real time. Watch what went down on day 2. It's pure hands-on magic.
It comes with this carton. It comes like this. Then it has the screw. It has the key. This is the key. Cylinder. Thank you, cylinder. Thank you very much. Then the key inside. Then it comes with a battery. The battery is moving. Then it comes also with the cap. So it comes with everything that it has. It also comes with the motor.
After easy, if there's no agreement, give a person we get to transfer power. Easy, it's not probably a power.
You can see it. Yes, this tree here. Then let's collect it now so that I will know. Okay, yeah. It also shows now. It uses the camera to show. Yes, the camera is in. Yes, it shows. The thing I just what I'm saying is what I'm looking for the day to do is. What I'm saying is this. Allow Alexa. Yeah, you have to get an Alexa. So until Alexa, someone click on it. It's available in the